Now check this Phantom wallet out. Over $6.8 million all built from launching meme coins. Not by trading them, not by guessing, not by gambling. Stay here and I'll walk you through exactly how it works step by step in today's video. Now since the beginning of meme coins, bro, I've spent tens and thousands of hours trading meme coins, looking at charts, trying to make some money. But let me tell you why I did not make any profits by trading. Because every single time I bought inside a meme coin, well, I got completely dumped on. Look at this perfect example. I would buy in and then lose all my money because the dev is dumping on my fucking head. And that's why I stopped trading and I started launching, because the real wealth comes from launching your own projects over and over again, okay? It's way more profitable than trading. You guys will see why. Now when you launch, you control everything. You control the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative. You are just creating everything, bro. You've got nothing to lose. Why? Because creating meme coins is completely free, okay? But if you keep trading, you'll lose. That's how it works. And bro, by the way, bro, even though Solana is fucking dumping a bit and Bitcoin is a bit dumping, okay, you can still make money, bro, with this strategy. I turned basically like $0 into like 1k today or some shit, and I would do this over and over again. Just keep watching. I will expose the entire method. And by the way, bro, this is all for educational and entertainment purposes only, obviously. None of this is financial advice. Just learn the strategy, but do not use it. Now, I have a pretty good idea of what you are thinking by now. Do I just go to Pump.Fun and launch a meme coin here and then do this over and over again? Well, the answer is no, because this method does not work anymore, bro. Pump.Fun is completely cooked. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. Too many coins is filling the site every single second, so your coins will not get enough eyes on any of them. And also, bro, it's common sense. Your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to graduate directly onto Radium, bro. That takes too much time, and it's really hard unless you have some type of community. And that's exactly why I switched to create token.Io, because this platform is completely different than Pump.Fun or all of the other launchpads, bro. Because every single token that launches on this platform will graduate instantly onto Radium, which will be viewed by tens and thousands of fucking live traders. That's actually fucking insane, and your coin becomes obviously tradable within seconds, okay? So you have fewer obstacles and you get more visibility for your tokens. And by the way, bro, just another add-on, you have full control over your liquidity, so you can literally dump it whenever you want, bro. That's the beauty of this launchpad, okay? It's actually a fucking cheat code. Now here's what you can do on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to build a coin, and it's up to you. The first method is to create a brand new coin. So first of all, you have to pick a theme/narrative. Now go on any social media platform to look at what is trending. For example, go on X, right? Go on Instagram and look for something trending. For example, President Trump says, "I only care about one thing. Will we be the #1 in crypto?" Okay, that's fucking bullish. It was posted 9 minutes ago. That's fucking good. There's other stuff like Binance, "I'm not leaving." Okay, that's good. An hour ago. There's a bunch of different narratives. Now, once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to create tokens.io. Invent a quick name. Invent a quick symbol. Okay, it takes 1 second because you have to be really quick with your hands. And then for the token image, click right here, and you can put whatever meme coin logo you want for your meme coin, and just like that, bro, your coin is custom created. But the second method, bro, you have to trust me on this, is my go-to move, and it's the most profitable by far, okay? And that's by copying trending coins right here. Now, these coins are already getting traffic and fucking attention on Pump.Fun, and that's why I love copying trending coins, because when you copy them to Radium, you get instant buyers and quicker profits because the hype already exists. Okay, it's a cheat code. You're basically guaranteeing like a shit ton of traffic, attention, and buyers because all of these coins already work. That's why I copy coins. Okay, anyways, let's stop explaining and actually make a meme coin right now so you can see how quick the whole process really is live on camera, and we will see how much we make by the end of the video. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, bro, if that's obvious. Then click the button right here to have all the new coins, and let's look for a coin to copy. You know what, bro? I'm gonna go for the 6-7 coin. It's King of the Hill and it has a last buy 1 minute ago. So click on create coin. Then ignore the block from Phantom, click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created, bro. Let's see what happens. Boom. And yeah, so if you go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's now live on the blockchain, bro. And yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this step is really fucking easy. We're just creating the liquidity pool so your token can instantly and obviously go live onto Radium and buyers can jump in the second it launches, bro. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to, you know, create, because obviously on Pump.Fun you do not control your own liquidity, but here you do. So for the amount token A, just click on the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. Think of it as your first buy in your own chart. You are not losing anything, by the way, okay? That so just gets locked up to kickstart your market, and the minimum is 0.3 SOL. Now when you pull out the liquidity later, every single bit of it, of that Solana, will come straight back to you. That's why we have nothing to lose, bro, okay? I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL. Whoops, 35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe. Then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. Now when that is done, click on refresh right here, scroll down, and boom, the 6-7 coin is on live. Okay, our profits are at $0. Now this is where all the magic happens, bro. Click on refresh to check your profits. And as you guys can see, we're up $150 because people are now buying our coin on the blockchain. Now, you can go on Axiom, you can go on Nova. I personally go on Photon, okay, to view my coin. And then let's see what happens. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. Let's see, it has to load in, bro, come on, because we're actually late. And boom, it's live, okay? The chart might look a bit... Oh my god, bro! We're getting so many buys! I want to dump the coin, come on! Pump! Bro, pump! Yes, sir, bro! I love this. Come on. Ah! Come on, pump! I want to dump the coin right now, bro. Fuck it. No, I'm just joking, bro. I'm just joking, okay? I'm just joking. Now, this is why I love deving meme coins, bro, because we literally created this coin for completely $0, and we are getting all this organic traffic through the blockchain. Come on, pump. 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good, bro. Come on, bro. $7 buy, a $7 buy, bro, on our 6-7 coin. Come on. $33. Pump. Bro, pump, bro, pump. Now, guys, oh my god, let's go. This just saved us. Come on, pump. Okay, bro. Oh my god, things are looking actually fucking good, bro. Create token.io is the fucking play. As you guys can see by the chart, bro, we just made a quick $200. Now, guys, I will be right back when the coin is higher and when it's time to dump. Okie dokie, guys, I am back, and the 6-7 coin is now at a $4,000 market cap, and it's at a $1.7 thousand liquidity. Now let's make some money finally, okay? Come back to create tokens.io, then proceed to clicking on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.7 thousand with a 4.1k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to, or you can do less, but I'm gonna take out all the money. Then click on the red button, let's see what happens. And now as you guys can see, we're gonna receive around 12.1 SOL. Click on confirm finally. And boom! Bang, 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 bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational fucking wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $1,700, which is like 12 SOL. You guys can see here, okay, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Like, it still works, okay? And if you have any questions, bro, DM me at j.crypto at jpflips, bro. I respond to everybody. And before you go make a meme coin, bro, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, okay? And join the Telegram and the Discord for more information, bro. Peace out.